Good morning, everyone. We'll start off today's session. Whoever's there, we're going to do the same thing what we did yesterday. This is set two. Again, as you can see, there are four questions in reading comprehension. We'll skip that again, and next couple of questions, question five and six, are jumbled sentences. So we'll directly go to question number seven. All right. So we'll start one by one. Like yesterday, you guys can answer. Um, Naveen, can you hear me? Can you answer question number seven? Yeah, can you answer question number seven? Very good. Would is the past tense of will not. Will not is a short form of will not is won't, isn't it? And cannot, short form is can't, and the past tense of that is could, right? Can becomes could in the past, will becomes would in the past tense. Okay, fine. What about question number eight? Um, Anjali, can you answer? Anjali, can you answer question number eight? Can you hear me, Anjali? Okay, maybe your mic is not proper, but you have answered correctly. You put it in the chat, so that's fine. It seemed like this buffalo was never washed before. I washed him this morning. Fine, good. Question number nine can go to Manikanta. Yeah. Um, Actually, there is no improvement needed. The sentence itself is pretty good. Neha was fined by a police officer, isn't it? Huh. You don't say she got fined enough. She was fined is more than enough. Is this active voice or passive voice? Manikanta, can you answer? Is it active voice or passive voice? This sentence. What do you mean by active voice? Hmm. It is active voice, huh? No, no, no. This sentence is passive or active? It's not active voice. It's passive voice. Can anybody else explain? Anyone else? How do you convert this to active voice? No, no. See, here Neha is the subject, correct? One second, I'll increase the font size. Okay, Neha is the subject. Now they haven't mentioned the object over here by the policeman. Okay, this is supposed to be there, but they haven't mentioned because it is a passive voice. So here this is the subject and this is the object, correct? So this is passive voice. You convert it to active voice like this. The policeman find Neha for careless driving. This becomes active. See, active in active voice, this subject does some work. The policeman only find her, right? Can you hear me? Huh. Here, Neha is not doing anything, correct? The policeman only find her for her careless driving. So when the subject does not do any work, it is in the passive voice. But here the subject does some work, so this verb find is in the active voice. Okay, that's the difference between active and passive. Right? Okay. Next, question number 10. Let me ask Dilip Kumar. Can you answer? Dilip Kumar. Very good. I shall not go unless I am invited. Very good. Nice. Okay. Question number 11 can go to Giripriya. Giripriya, that calls for a treat. What do you mean by that? Means there has something good happened. That's why they are asking that person to give a treat. Okay. That's the logic. Okay. Next, Pooja. Can you answer question 12? Very good. Approbation means acceptance or approval. Very nice. Okay, next, Nitin Kumar. Can you answer question 13? Do you know the meaning of credulity? Nitin Kumar, not sure if you guys would have heard this word. Can anyone else answer? Does anyone else know the meaning of credulity? No? Credulity, no, it's not credible. Credible, credible means genuine, true, correct. Credulity means that a person can be easily persuaded into anything. Okay. The same meaning goes with gullible. That means you don't have to force this person to do anything. He is a very gullible person, means he can be easily persuaded to do anything. That's the meaning of credulity. Okay, so please remember these two words. Okay, question number 14 can go to Dhoni. Since it has been raining, the game has to be continued. That means normally game continues while rain keeps going on. Na? Pinna? Correct. It has to be, although normally while it rains, you don't play a game, correct? So it has to be although. Okay. Next, question number 15 can go to Bhavya Reddy. Can you answer? Shyam ran for his schoolmate yesterday. That means there was a running race, and instead of his friend, he ran. Huh? He ran for his schoolmate yesterday. Do you run for somebody else? Does it make sense? It's not for. Can anyone else answer? So, what does it mean? Shyam ran into his schoolmate yesterday. What does it mean? To run into someone. No, into is correct, but I'm just asking you the meaning. What do you mean by Shyam ran into his schoolmate yesterday? What actually happened? Did he physically go and hit him? That's what you mean to say? Is it? He went and hit him, huh? Hmm. No, no, no. That is not the meaning. Anjali has answered correctly. Coincidentally met. That's the meaning of to run into someone means to meet someone unexpectedly. Okay, that is the meaning of run into. Okay, question number 16. Maybe Niveda, can you answer? There was diligent competition for electoral seats. Means what? Yeah, so why should there be a steady competition? No. Better answer to that is cutthroat. What do you mean by cutthroat? Have you heard? Cutthroat means very strict, tough competition. Lots of people are applying for that and they are highly qualified for that electoral seat. So there is stiff competition or tough competition. That's what it means. So this is a better answer. Okay. Okay. What about question number 17? Okay. So this is again sentence error question. So this is the sentence. Let me ask uh, Raji. Can you answer? Raji, can you hear me? Raji Group. I don't know what it means. Or Ranjit, can you answer question 17? Hello. Uday Kiran? No, I don't know. Then they're probably not looking at the screen. Anyone else? Can anyone else answer this? What should it be? You're absolutely right. There is something wrong here. Instead of that, what should you put? Uh, Want it? You will come to my party. So you have to change it to won't you? Ah, okay, these are called question tags. Do you guys remember in school you would have studied question tags? Yeah. Okay. Question number 18. I can probably ask. Monica, Monica, can you hear me? Pavita, can you hear me? Okay. Can you answer question number 18? This is the sentence. First of all, what do you mean by adjourned? Anyone else? Does anyone else know the meaning of adjourned? Mm, no, it was stopped, temporarily stopped. That's the meaning of adjourned. Okay, okay, dismissed or closed. Fine. Anjali has sent again. Okay, so uh, Pavita, what is the problem with this sentence? Is it correct? Mm, actually, there is something wrong. Does anyone else know? C is the wrong answer. Manikanta has sent. C is not the correct answer. There's nothing wrong with the C part. See, the thing is, this is also in passive voice. See, the meeting, see, they say by the CEO. So this guy stopped the meeting. So you have to add over here, meeting was adjourned by the CEO. That's the problem. Okay. So you have to add was over there to make it a proper passive voice sentence. So answer is A. Okay. Next one. Uh, I leave it open to everyone. What is the meaning of the word transient? Have you heard of this word transient? Anybody? Hmm? Temporary. Okay, so what should be the answer over here? What is the opposite of temporary? Obviously, it is permanent. Good. Fine. Has anyone heard of this word? Chaffing. They sent a chaffing remark. Have you heard of that? Chaffing means to tease someone, okay, in a very jovial manner, in a funny manner, teasing your colleagues or teasing your friends. That's called chaffing. So, what is the answer? What is the opposite of that? Serious. Very good. Serious. Fine. Okay. Done then. Today's set of questions is over. Okay, so I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up for today. All right. Uh, okay, let's start. Nidish, Nisha Banu, Nitish Kumar M, Niveda, Bhavani Prasad, Mohan Krishna, Mohan Krishna, are you there? No. Okay. Om Prakash, Srikanth, Naveen, Padmashri, Dilip Kumar, Nitin Kumar, Vijay. Vijay Kumar, Manoj Kumar, Srilata, Venkat Pichaya, Pavitra, Balaji Sai, Bhavya, Venkat Rohit, Sai Monica, यार brother, okay. Giri Priya, Kavita, Venkatesh, Naveen, Sai Krishna, Pooja A219, 220, 221, 222, 222 not there. Okay. Pujita, Monica, Praveen, Ravina, Pritish, okay. Rajesh, Pushpanjali, Manikanteshwar Reddy, okay. Guru Teja, Rahul, Rajesh Kumar, okay. Rahul, na? Rajesh Kumar, Ramya, Ranjit, Uday Kiran, okay. Uday Kiran, okay. Ranjit 243, Renuka Devi, Peshma, Ritika, Rohit, okay. Rushi Prita, Rushi Prita not there. Sadhana, Sangeeta Priya B, Sangeeta Priya S, okay. Sanjay, Karthik Reddy, Reddy Lokesh, Naidu, Sanjay E, Sandhya. Okay, did I leave anyone? 230, yeah. Okay. 227, okay. 234. Rajesh Kumar. Okay. Anyone else? 203. Yeah. Dilip Kumar. Yeah, I've already marked. Oh, okay. Fine, fine. 250. Who is that? Renuka Devi. Yeah. Yeah, but you are answering right now. What can I do? She has to be in the meeting. No, I'm sorry, I can't do that. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a good day. Bye bye.